I'm Zach Smith from Route 113 Boat Sales. Today we're going to be doing our first of a series of how-to videos. This one's going to be covering how to input, navigate to, and retrieve waypoints on Garmin units. Today we're going to be using an Garmin 8610 as the demonstrator. This will work on a barrage of different Garmin units. They all use a very similar operating software. So with that said, let's check it out. So this is your main screen on your Garmin. Down the right hand side of the screen here we have all of our options, whether it be smart mode, combos, charts, sonar, radar. We're going to talk about all these in different videos, but for this one we're going to focus on charts and waypoints. So coming down to our charts feature, we have 8 options on this unit: nav chart, fishing chart, 3D chart, overlay, and then all of our GXM 54 features. To set a waypoint, the easiest way to set a waypoint is go into your navigation chart. Then you can pan offshore. We'll zoom out there. It's all pinch pull to zoom. As we slide offshore, let's just pick the Bass Grounds for sake of easiness. We come out here, we find the Bass Grounds. Right now it is there. It is not currently a waypoint, but if you touch it, in the top left hand corner of the screen it'll say plus waypoint. Then we're going to select 009, which is the waypoint we just made. We're going to edit. Then we're going to select name. And we're going to name that BASSGRNDS. Done. Then you can go and you can change that symbol to whatever you want. We're going to make it a fishing hook. Then we're going to go back, and we just set that waypoint on the Bass Grounds right there. At any point, stop panning. We'll center you back over the boat. We're going to go down and we're going to make one more so you can see that process over again. This time we're going to go to the, I believe is, let's zoom in on that. I believe that is the African Queen. Yep. So we're going to set that on the African Queen right there. So we're going to do the same thing. We're just simply going to touch. We're going to hit waypoint in the top left corner of the screen. We just made 0010, so we're going to select that up here. We're going to edit. We're going to name. And we're just going to do AFRQUE, African Queen. Done. And again, we'll change that symbol to whatever we want. Let's make this one a fish. And we're going to go back and back again. So now we've set 2 waypoints on this screen. Again, stop panning. We'll bring you back to the boat. And recenter you over top. Home will bring you back to your home screen. Now, if you want to review or delete any waypoints, hit waypoints in the bottom left hand corner of the screen. This will give our waypoint list. We're going to delete some of these. So to do that, you're going to go ahead and hit review and delete. This is a demo unit here in our showroom, so it gets a lot of nonsense put on it and it gets used quite a lot. So we're going to just delete. Come down here and get rid of these guys too. So these are the 2 waypoints that we just made. So let's say we were out the inlet and we want to go to the Bass Grounds. You simply select it so that it's highlighted in blue. So pick the Bass Grounds. You're going to hit navigate to, and then you're going to pick auto guidance, go to, or route to. The 8610s have the ability to do auto guidance without the need of a chip. So if you were at your house and you wanted to go there, you could hit auto guidance and it would plot you a course. Obviously sitting here on land, it's not going to actually do that because we can't, but it will auto guidance you there. Hit cancel auto guidance. We're going to go back to waypoints, review, oops, back. We're going to hit navigate to again for the bass grounds. And go to. What go to is going to do is going to draw you a line directly there. So if you're already offshore and you just want to run to another wreck or another reef or another canyon, hit the waypoints, navigate, go to it, and it'll draw you a line directly there. This won't work if you're inshore because it's going to draw you a line over water. So let's say you have a chart, and on that chart you have a whole bunch of coordinates. Couple things you need to look at on that. We're going to go back to home. We're going to go into settings. We're going to go into preferences. We're going to go into units, and we're going to go into position format. There are 3 different ways to write latitude, longitude. So what you want to do when you get your chart is match the decimal point up on your chart with one of these 3 options. It's the decimal point's either going to be 3 over, 5 over, or 1 over. So match the decimal point up, pick that setting for your coordinates. That's very important. I have some guys that don't do that, and they tell me they were at the Hot Dog. I look at their chart plotter, and they were somewhere south of the Baltimore Canyon. So go into waypoints, hit new waypoint. It gives you 4 options: enter coordinates, use chart, use current position, or enter range. We're going to use enter coordinates, and then this is where you would go in and type in your lat long sentence with all the minutes and seconds there. Just again, make sure that your decimal point matches up. Once you set it, you can then do the same thing and edit, name, and call it whatever you want. And that's how you enter coordinates from a chart. Once again, guys, Zach Smith, Route 113 Boat Sales. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Let me know what else you'd like to see me cover. Thanks for watching.